sToolTracker supports the functionality to allow you to send tools for maintenance either internally or externally. To get started, open up the sToolTracker maintenance card. Expand the card and enter a document number. Now select the tool. The description and current location are automatically filled. Now enter a new location where you wish to move the tool for maintenance. That may be internal or an external party. Select the quantity. As this is a serial number tracked tool, we need to select the serial number for this particular tool to move to maintenance. Select line, tool tracking lines. Now select the specific serial number. Enter the quantity, which in this case is always going to be 1, and close the card. Select Post Print and Post. The item is now posted to the journal. Now open up the tool entry so we can take a look at our tracking. Here, the quantity in maintenance is now 1. Click on the 1, and this gives you the journal entry.